Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 96,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.